channel Madhvi's Culinary Art. I think we all have this small sweet craving during the tea time, or maybe some of us have it in middle of the night. So today I have come with such a recipe which would fulfill our small sweet cravings, that is eggless vanilla choco chips cupcakes. Who doesn't like cupcakes? We all order one every time when we visit a coffee shop. So why not treat ourselves same at home? So let's start baking ourselves an eggless vanilla choco chip cupcakes.
So now firstly I would start placing up my liners into the muffin tray. Now keep it aside and preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Into a bowl, we would start adding our dry ingredients. 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. We would sieve all the dry ingredients through a fine sieve, as you can see. Then half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and now just sift the flour. This helps us to combine the mixture well and make a very fluffy good cupcake. Now just mix it well once and then keep it aside. So now we would take another bowl to mix all our wet ingredients into it. Take 1 cup of curd, then add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar to it. Whisk it well till the sugar is completely melted or incorporated into the curd. The measurement for this recipe is for 12 to 13 cupcakes, so please follow this measurement precisely while cooking or baking this recipe. So now we would add half cup of oil, that is vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil. And whisk it again thoroughly. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and again whisk it well till the vanilla essence has combined completely. So now our wet and dry ingredients both are ready completely separately, and now we would start combining them together. So we will combine the dry ingredients partly. Now when you start combining your or whisking your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, you should start slowly And please don't do any harsh whisking here. So now if you see, we have combined our first part of dry ingredient, and now we would start adding the remaining part of our dry ingredient into this. Again, combine it and whisk it well. So if you see, our batter is getting ready and it is combined well, and now you can see the consistency. Wow, this is the consistency what we want for our cupcake, and our batter is now ready. So now, with the help of this spatula, you can scrape all the batter from the sides of ball. And start folding our mixture with the help of the spatula. This will help to combine our mixture well. Now we would start filling up our liners. Just fill 3/4 of the liners, so there will be a space or room for muffins to rise up while baking. Now, after all the liners have been filled up, we would tap our cupcakes tray just to equalize our batter, and then add some choco chips on it. Now there is no measurements to add the choco chips. It's on your taste and how much choco lovers you are. Now our cupcakes are ready and ready to go in the oven for baking at about 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Now don't worry if you don't have oven. Here I am showing you how to bake it on the pan. So take a bowl, a small bowl, and keep your cup liner into the bowl and add our batter. And here also fill it only 3/4 so that it have a room or space for muffin to rise while baking on the pan. We would heat up a pan for 10 minutes by covering it with a lid on medium flame. And then after 10 minutes, just put your muffin bowl into the pan and cover it with the lid. And bake it for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Now you can just have a look on your cupcakes in the oven. They are ready and nicely baked. Also, our cupcake in the pan is ready after 10 to 15 minutes. Wow, I would show you. It is going to be so fluffy.
Yummy, right? I know. Now, after the cupcakes are ready and kitchen is filled full of fragrance, then it is very hard to resist. So, not wasting a single minute, please get started and bake it for yourself in your kitchen. And also let me know which type of recipes would you like to see on my channel. And please don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And most important, don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Madhvi's Culinary Art. Bye. See you next time with the new recipe. Happy cooking.